Hi, Mike here. You're watching Yukon Scout Restoration. The video, Scout Aspen Green, highlights the paint job and describes the continuation of the restoration process. At the end of the video, there is a bonus about installing body bushings. Please like and subscribe. Adam has done a high-end quality paint job. I really like the way he has highlighted the body lines. Stock Scouts never looked this good. I made this video when I brought the Scout home from Blue Diamond Refinishing. The doors, hood, fenders, and other body parts are wrapped in bed sheets and stored in my 54-foot dry van until I have finished restoring and rebuilding all the mechanical and electrical components. The first thing I will do is run a tap through all the bolt holes to clean the threads. Then I must make a new crossover fuel line and new brake lines while the transmission and engine are out. Especially the long brake line that runs from the splitter block on the driver's side front fender to the brake hose located at the center of the rear axle. I will install the dashboard, wiring harness, and steering column together as a unit before installing the roof. I will show this work in future videos, but first I must go back in time because I want to post my videos in the chronological order that they were filmed. The quality of my videos will improve as I learn videography. In January 2025, I will begin posting a video once a week. I hope you enjoy my series. This is the body bushing kit that I purchased from Scout Plus. Unfortunately, when I installed the bushings, I was not making videos. I think it's important to replace these bushings before doing any body work. First, I made sure that the body was straight and hadn't been tweaked in any way. Initially, I took a lot of measurements. Then I installed new hinges on the doors with the glass still in the doors because the weight can make a difference. The doors opened and closed perfectly. With the roof still on the Scout, I was able to see that the top of the doors were parallel to the roof and the bottom parallel to the rocker panels, and the gap was even all around the doors. This Scout is straight. Next, I removed all the nuts from the bolts that secure the body to the frame. Using blocking, hydraulic jacks, and 1/4-inch plywood shims, I jacked the body up at 6 points, front, middle, and rear, in increments until it was approximately 3 inches off the frame. Then I removed the old bolts and bushings and installed the new ones. Next, I jacked it down in increments before tightening the nylock nuts until they just started to squish the bushings. Note, the center bolts at the rear of the box are carriage bolts with IH stamped on them. I managed to salvage the old ones. This is a nice touch because the new bolts in the kit are hex head. Hi, Mike here. You have just watched the upgraded version of Scout Aspen Green Walkaround. The original version had no music. My next video will be about vacuum wiper restoration. This is not a how-to video. It's a how I do video. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out.